This is Newsbreak 26 in Southwest New Brunswick. I'm Vicki Hogarth. Here's what's happening in our part of the world. In an effort to fill the void left by the closure of Scotiabank on Grand Manan last summer, Lauren Martin and Mike Monroe, proprietors of the island's sole pharmacy, have transformed the former bank building into Coast Health and Wellness Clinic. Dozens of enthusiastic islanders came out on Saturday afternoon for the grand opening of the clinic, which is more than just a health center. It represents a beacon of hope for an island that had lost key services, including its only dentist in recent years. Coast Health and Wellness Clinic aims to turn the loss of the bank into a gain for the community by offering a wide range of services.
We have manual therapies here, so chiropractic, massage therapy, physiotherapy, acupuncture, osteopathy, reflexology, and then we have a few nursing service and extended care, so anything from pharmacy services to nursing services, infusion clinics in 2024, and we also have dental, so we're bringing dental back to the island. So we have dental hygiene, teledent services currently, and we have dentists joining us on rotation in the new year.
Before the opening of Coast, islanders had to endure an hour-and-a-half ferry ride to the mainland in recent years for many health services, resulting in entire days spent on the road, significant travel costs, and added stress for follow-up visits. The closure of Scotiabank further compounded these challenges, forcing islanders to travel to the mainland for in-person banking. However, Martin and Monroe saw the empty bank building not as a setback, but as an opportunity for transformative growth for the island. They worked with the village to acquire a long-term lease for the building.
There's a financial incentive to try to seek care at home, so that's what we're trying to do with this model is give people the services. Right now, the health services and dental services, and hopefully in the future some of the financial services, so they don't have to take a day away, a day off work, a day with childcare, a day with elder care, and all of those other ancillary costs that come with it.
Martin and Monroe's clinic, which also includes spa services like a sauna and a cold plunge, has received overwhelming support from the community.
We've already had some fantastic professionals and practitioners come in to utilize the space. It's been a very warm welcome from the community and something that we truly feel will bring a lot of value to the community. And instead of having everyone have to take a ferry over for some of these services, be able to bring a practitioner over to serve, 8 to 10 clients or patients here on our island.
Grand Manan Mayor Bonnie Morse, who helped cut the ribbon at the grand opening, is excited about the prospect of having more services back on the island.
During the pandemic, we lost our dentist. He closed and didn't reopen during the pandemic. So for us to not have that available here on the island, to now have the potential to have dental checkups again here on the island, the potential for physio, there's counseling, there's all kinds of different services, and the ability for people to come in, bring their specialty for a couple days a week, couple days a month, for islanders to access that without having to go to the mainland. It's just a really exciting thing. And the community as a whole has really rallied behind this concept. I have to say I'm really excited to see a dental hygienist on Grand Manan first thing Monday morning.
Despite the successful opening of the Health and Wellness Clinic, Monroe and Martin's vision goes beyond healthcare. They plan to also establish a credit union inside the building in collaboration with Brunswick Credit Union, aiming to restore financial services to the island.
We've been working over the last year to try and see what feasibility would work to set up or establish a credit union. With some of the work through some of the process and regulations, it looked like a better option and a quicker option to partner with a credit union already established.
Through a comprehensive needs survey, they are working to demonstrate the demand for banking services with the ultimate goal of providing personal and retail banking services, including an ATM, and potentially expanding to offer small loan services in the future. The survey can be found on the Facebook page, Help Form a Grand Manan Credit Union. Martin and Monroe moved to the island just a few years ago to take over the reins of the island's only pharmacy. Since their arrival, they have not only embraced the island's essence, but also dedicated themselves to enhancing its very fabric, eliciting an undeniable reciprocity of affection from the island community.
I think we've made this community our home. We've seen how incredible and beautiful this community is, and we'd like to see there be a positivity and a growth versus anyone thinking in a type of decline after we lost Scotiabank. We're just trying, and Dr. Van, our former dentist, we're trying to show that we have incredible services available here on the island. It's a beautiful place to work and live.
Coast Health and Wellness Clinic not only stands as a healthcare facility, but also as a symbol of islander resilience in the face of hardships, offering a brighter and healthier future for the residents of Grand Manan. That's all the news I have for you. For more stories and online exclusives, follow me, Vicki Hogarth, on Facebook and subscribe for free to CHCO-TV on YouTube.
A news and public affairs production of CHCO-TV, New Brunswick's only source for independent community television.